Alright, here's an update on my all-natural pond build. I still got a lot of work here to do. I just got the filter box together last night. So you can see this is the hand-sculpted custom deal here. It's got a weird shape to it. It's very unique. And well, I'm still at the point here where I got to do a lot more pressure washing. I need to get this stuff out. I need to blast all this off. There's a lot of cleaning to do on these jobs. You spend more time cleaning than anything. Wax on, wax off. And okay, you see how this looks right here versus that? This is actually the look we want to go for. If I had done a final spin on this with the sponge, I got too tired, man. I was just wiped out. There's just too many hours of labor for one guy. But I would have wiped this like that and finished it to that point, all in one process. And then I wouldn't be doing near as much cleaning. So, you know, it really makes a difference in how fast these jobs get done if you don't have to clean so much. But these things are always a lot of cleaning. But as you can see, my box, all in all, it came together here pretty good. When I built this, let's see, I had my Dollar Tree yellow level, and I just put, you know, when the mud was wet and squishy, I just put the level in there, squished it in the level, go over to this point, squish it in the level, you know, and when I squish it in the level, then I clear and cut the clay on both sides, go over again to the last third foot, square and level, clean it off. Now I have a perfectly level drop point here in the front. So, here's the best part. We can turn it on like this. Look how quiet this pump is, too. So I'm getting a pretty good spill over here. Everything is coming nice here. I do got to run out on this other side over here. I'm going to have to fix because it's going a little too far out the back. And we want to get a little more spill in this area. This is going to get decorated. You won't really see this looking this way when it's done. So we're at this level now. You know, we're starting to get this thing finished up as far as having the rocks all glued together and all the critical structural issues dealt with. So this isn't too bad of a waterfall for all natural. Made everything from the job site. The only thing I've done is bought 2 bags of this cement right here. And that's all I've had to buy for this entire project. So there's the update. There's where we're at. And when you see it again next time, we'll have all the things will be patched. The finish work will kind of be done. And there's going to be a bunch of new rocks in front there. And the hose will be hidden in and all that sort of stuff. So, well, there's the update. There's where it's at now.